Hello, teacher. I'm Germán Rafael Miracacha Cristancho. I present my ID card. In my free time activities, I like to spend with time my family. We usually go to country restaurants. Is the best moment, and I frequently use my free time uh, to study, read, book, uh, and do university homeworks. I like to rest. I take long naps. My job in the Air Force is usually exhausting. I like quiet at home activities. In this moment, my priority at the moment is my family and my university studies. Um, Thanks. Bye bye.